Hi everybody, hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me and my sleepy sidekicks. So, Zena's here. Zena, can you say hi before you take a nap? She's already going to nap mode. Can you say hi to everybody? You still smell good from your recent grooming this week. Wyatt, can you say hi to everybody? Yes? Wyatt always acts like he's in trouble every time I pick him up. Can you just say hi to everybody? Yeah? Tell them, do you want to tell them what kind of unboxing we have for them today? No? It's not a bark box, so he doesn't care. So, it's not a bark box. I'm so excited because I have another Glamour Jewelry Box unboxing for you. So excited. So, in my last Glamour Jewelry Box unboxing was the December box, and I have the January box. I'm so excited. So this is a really cool jewelry subscription box. You get 3 pieces of quality jewelry. It is boutique style jewelry that is curated by fashion experts. So you always get trendy, trendy pieces, trendy or classic pieces. They can be statement pieces or they can be more classic pieces, right? It costs $29.95 a month. I do have a code for you for your first month if you'd like to sign up. It is for 10% off your first box, and the code is HAPPY10, which I will share all of the information down below so you don't have to remember anything in case you'd like to give this subscription a try. Now, the one fun thing about this subscription service is if you'd like to skip a month, you can. So you are not obligated to get a box every single month. If you decide you'd like to, skip any month, you can just let them know and you can skip a month. So I think that's pretty cool. So it is $29.95 a month and there is a $3 shipping fee within the US. Right now they do not have international shipping yet. So, and you usually get, within your box for that $29.95, you do get items worth about $75 to $85 in each box. So my last box was retail valued at $85 and this one is valued at $75. And I will go over what the retail value of each item is once I dig in. And I haven't seen the items yet, but I do have a price list of the value of each of the items, which is how I know how much the retail value is already. So let's dig in. So once you open the box, this is what you see. So you get a nice little card here that says glamour is shine and confidence. I hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle. It does give their address and how you can share your jewelry on Instagram. I'll show you again. It comes in a nice little jewelry pouch. Everything is carefully packaged. I love the jewelry pouches. It does have the little Glamour Jewelry Box logo on the jewelry pouch. So now Wyatt's a little bit interested because he thought it might have been something in it for him. All right, so first up is a pair of earrings, and these are called the Rose Gold Modern Earrings, and these retail for $26. Let me get them up here for you. I love dangly earrings. That's my favorite, and these are very cute. Hopefully you can see these. Very cute. So I believe last time someone had asked me if they do gold, silver, and rose gold, and I was not sure about the rose gold. So here you go. They do rose gold as well. Very cute. And I like how long these are. I don't like anything that if it's too long, I always think it looks a little bit odd on me. I think it looks pretty on other people, but this looks like a very perfect length for me. I work because I don't have really big hair that I always worry if it's too big, it's going to look odd on me. But these look really pretty. . Yeah, those are really pretty. You guys can see them. Very nice. All right, what else is in here? All right, so next I see a very, very pretty bracelet that's expandable. So let me show you this. Can you guys see that? Maybe not. I'll hold it up first. So check out how pretty that is. I love sparkle. That is very pretty sparkle. And it does have the adjustable wrist, adjustable length here. See how big you can make it? So you can slip it on nice and easy. And look how pretty that is. I love all that sparkle. And it goes all the way from here, all the way over to up here. You guys can see that. So there's only a little bit that doesn't have the sparkle actually. So let me see if I can tighten this up. I get Wyatt to help me, but he's already gone to sleep. Cena's already making sleepy nut sounds as well. So I can actually close this pretty well all by myself. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Love it. And it stays in place. I love that. And that is called the Crystal Bracelet, and it retails for $26. All right, and the last item, I don't know, you guys probably can't hear Zena, but she is making sleepy sounds. It's so cute. All right, the last item is the rose gold V-neck necklace. It retails for $23. And look how pretty this is. So pretty. I really like that. So this item is just regular gold, the bracelet, and then the earrings are rose gold. And so is this necklace. So let me see if I can get this on easily. And it does have, you guys can see this, it does have a big hole for the clasp, and it does have several others here for you to choose from. So it is adjustable. So it's not like trying to find a tiny little hole to clasp this with. So I was able to get that on right away. And let's see if you guys can see that. I think that's very pretty and very delicate. And Wyatt just saw a fly. How is there a fly in my house? It's been 20 degrees out. Oh, Wyatt got it. He actually got this fly. It's been, oh, and he's eating it. I'm sorry. Okay, so I think that is so pretty. Very, very pretty. I love all of these pieces. Okay, and I did say that one was the rose gold V-neck necklace, $23. So all three items, the total retail value would come to $75, all for $29 and 95 cents, right? Yep, $29.95. Not bad, right? Yeah. I think this is awesome. I love all three pieces. All right, so I will put all of this information down below. The link to the website, which is www.glamourjewelrybox.com. And Happy 10 is the discount to get 10% off your first box. I'll even list these items so you know what it is I got in my box. And yeah, I want to make sure I gave you all of the pertinent information, which I think I have covered. So I think this is so pretty. Thank you so much. Wyatt and his fly has me thrown off a little bit. I have to tell you, like, he's still chewing on it. Okay, sorry about that. And Zena's over here still making sleepy noises. I'm losing control of this video a little bit. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so anyway, I love the jewelry. We'll stay on task here. I think all of this jewelry is awesome. I think I'm going to leave these earrings in. This is so pretty. And the necklace. So I am really impressed. The quality of this jewelry is very, very nice. These earrings are not heavy on your ears, but yet they feel substantial. The necklace is a very delicate piece, but again, it does not feel like it's going to break. And then I love that this bracelet is adjustable, because I do have small wrists, so that can be a problem for me sometimes. So it is very nice that this is adjustable and you can keep it in place. So you see that the pretty crystals are staying at the top here and not moving, so you can't see them. So I love that about this jewelry. So thank you so much for joining me today. I so appreciate it. Please, please, please consider hitting that like button. And my sleepy sidekick here has woken up. The other one is still on a mission over there, so we're not sure what Wyatt's doing. Tell everyone thank you so much. Please consider hitting that like button. We would love, love, love it if you would also subscribe to our channel and join the crazy fun. We would love that. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Till next time, everyone, have a great day.